Good morning to all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Everybody open your camera. I cannot see your cameras on, children. Why?
Please wait. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am.
Yes. My voice is not clear. Yes, children, my voice is not clear.
No, I'm clear.
It's clear, no?
Yes.
Okay, just wait.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what today?
Do you hear me?
Ma'am, ma'am, we will points.
We also periods of history, right? Of history text.
Ma'am, we have right 3 points. The one understanding history.
Ma'am, we have done 6 numbers.
All times are everybody good children. Arav,
Ma'am, is break. Voice is break. Morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning. Now, can you hear me clearly?
Mama, my ex-girlfriend book.
Yes. What did you get?
Not my book.
Okay, very nice, beta. Very nice.
Time to read the chapter.
Just wait. Let me do a little setting so that I can be able to hear you nicely and clearly. Okay, now tell me, children, is my voice breaking?
And there's a lot of disturbance.
And out now. Fine.
Now it's fine.
Okay. Okay. Now you're fine. So I just want to know that until number 6. After that, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very nice. But before we start, please let take your attendance. All of okay. Everybody call out his name and the next person will call. So let's begin. Ashray Agarwal. Next. Names.
Yes, ma'am. What?
Call out your names so that I can in.
Tiwari.
Good. Shudha. Next. Next. Very good.
Because
Now, next.
present.
Agarwal present, ma'am.
Agarwal present.
Samar Singh present.
Ma'am, Vasita present.
Present.
Ma'am, Raina present. present. Ma'am,
Bhavya
Parmeet Singh present.
Very nice. Next. Arhan Yadav. Then Panshul Mishra.
Ma'am, Shoaib Gupta present.
Saurabh Gupta.
Shobit Gupta.
Shobit Gupta. Okay.
Present. Ma'am, Raina Agarwal present.
Right.
Present.
Ashya
Ma'am, Atav Gupta present.
Rasya Agarwal and
Ma'am, Raina Agarwal present.
Ashutosh Singh. Ashutosh Singh did not call out his name. You don't know present.
Ma'am, Yuvraj Gupta present.
Okay, Yuvraj Gupta. Yuvraj Gupta. The next.
Ma'am, Parmeet Singh present.
Done, beta. Parmeet Singh done. Kanav.
Ma'am,
Done.
Yatharth Singh present.
Yes.
Ma'am, Yatharth Singh present.
Yatharth. Very nice. So many children in this
Ma'am,
class.
which class is this?
Beta, this is your SST class going on. I have just started with the attendance, nothing else.
Ma'am, I
Daksh,
noticed this ST book.
Yes, beta, it was shot on the in the bookstores. So you will get it very soon. You're going to get it. Don't worry. Ayushman Saxena, I have written. I have marked your attendance. Pranav Agarwal is left. Sorry, they will be present how many times? I have already marked Sorry, present. Okay, Daksh, Pratap, Akshadha. Everybody open your camera. Show me your face. I want to see everyone. Okay, this is Varishtha. This is Palvini Ahuja, Bhavya Rastogi, and Ayushman Saxena.
Ma'am, my name is Varshita.
Varshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What do I call her all the time? How do I take your name? Varshita. Okay, now I'll remember it's Varshita. Okay.
Yes,
what does
ma'am.
it mean, Varshita? What does your name mean?
Ravi Rani's favorite girl.
Whose favorite girl?
Radha Rani showering.
Okay, nice. All right. So children, now what we are going to do is we are going to continue the same work and the next part of this chapter. Now, what is that? The next part of this chapter is 3 periods of history. Now, what are those 3 periods of history? Can anybody tell me?
Medical period.
Very nice. All of you know that the 3 periods of history are the ancient period, medieval period, and the modern period. So where you ended your work, right below it, just below it, just under it, leaving 1 or 2 lines, put today's date and write down the heading 3 periods of
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, there is no space.
Is my voice breaking?
Ma'am. Rishonda!
Very nice. Arav Gupta is a great singer. Very good, Arav Gupta. Can you sing a song for us, Arav? Now he got embarrassed and he's opened his, he's closed his video. Okay, Arav, no problem, beta. Put your video on. It's fine. It happens.
Ma'am, please repeat the heading again. Ma'am, we do no page. Ma'am, there is no page. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
we do.
please use the heading.
Can you see? No, you can't see. Now it is visible.
No.
It's visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
I will pin my. Now it's even more clearer. Three periods of because our history is so vast, it has been divided into 3 periods.
Ma'am, after of. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, please pin yourself.
I have pinned myself, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was not able to attend the classes and I am not having the SST work also. So anyone can send me the SST work done till now.
Ma'am, I will send him.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
I will
nice.
send.
Very nice. We have very nice students around us. They're going to help us every moment we need anything.
Ma'am,
Don't worry.
I am sent. Daksh Pratap Singh.
Anyone can send the work right from the beginning, from difficult words till today. Now, what is ancient period? Can anybody explain me the ancient period? Which period is known as the ancient period?
Ma'am, ancient period is called the past. That has been already done in the past.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell the ancient period is
when life began.
Ancient period is the period when it started. When did it start?
when life began on earth.
Yes. Very ancient period
This period started
when life began on the earth.
yourself.
What, Beta? What do I do?
Please pin yourself.
Beta, I have already pinned myself. Look for me on the screen and then you have to pin me.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I am logged in with 2 devices. So in one device my video is on and on the other one it's not on. Then after the ancient period we have
Medieval.
medieval period.
Ma'am, can I tell Atharv Gupta?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, ma'am started when the kingdoms and kings are began. Ma'am, the medieval period is also known as Middle Age. This time
This began with the kings and kings.
Ma'am, humans began living in kingdoms.
Yes.
Even began.
It is also called the Middle Ages, and in this period humans had started living in kingdoms. So we will just explain it in very short that it is also known as the Middle Ages. Is also known as Middle Ages.
Ma'am, you are paused.
Yes?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. You are pausing and then you are writing very fast.
Beta, only one person speak, I can't understand. I have already done what?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, second answer is also के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Second answer is also what? I can't understand anything after that.
Ma'am, second answer, please read.
Okay. Medieval period is also known as Middle Ages.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And somebody else was also saying something that, ma'am, you have already done. What have I already done?
Ma'am, please proceed.
Very nice. Who remembered it? What's your name?
Ma'am, please proceed. Ma'am, Arhan.
Arhan. Very good, beta. Okay. Now, the next period is the modern period. Now, what is the modern period? Modern period is
times.
Modern period of history is the period of the recent times. It refers to the history. It refers to the history of the recent times.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay. How many of you
I have
have?
also done.
Very good, very good. All of you have got your book?
I am also done.
Very nice. There are only few students in the class who do not have their books, right? Rest all of you have?
Ma'am, I have yes, done. Ma'am.
Yes. So tell me,
Yes, ma'am. Not.
Yes, ma'am.
tell me one thing. Which topic is after the periods of history? Three
Ma'am,
periods
please
of.
side.
Oh, you have not done. Okay, let me know when everybody does it. Then I will say.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, timelines. Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done. Okay.
Ma'am, timelines.
Timelines. The next topic after 3 periods of history is timelines.
Ma'am, source of history.
Yes, after 3 periods of history we have.
Ma'am, please
What
side.
is written after modern period?
See, it refers to the period. It refers to the period of. It refers to the history of the recent times. Written now. Children,
Yes,
written.
ma'am.
Now can I sit?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Still I cannot sit.
Ma'am, set.
Sure, you have written.
Ma'am, please settle down.
Ma'am, please side. Who wants to say ma'am, please side? Let me know his or her face now. Who is this student? Tell me. Okay, beta, don't worry. Please write. Finish it and then I am going to start the next thing. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you sit.
Okay, thank you.
Can't see the.
Yes?
Can't see the upper side of the board.
You can't see the upper side of the board. So, beta, you have not done even that much. Don't worry, I am going to share this work on the class group. Okay, you can do it later.
Ma'am,
Alright.
please tell the.
It refers to the history of the recent times. The history that is going on, we are creating history today. I will now not come only. Okay? Keep writing.
Ma'am, you can sit.
No, I will not sit. You will again make me stand up. You will again say, ma'am, please side. Now I will not sit. Palvini, are you planning to say again, ma'am, please side?
No, ma'am, I am done.
You're done. Okay. So whenever you have to tell any teacher to shift because you cannot see the board because of her, you don't say, ma'am, please side. Ma'am, you say, ma'am, please shift a little, or you say, ma'am, please get aside. Get aside. Okay? What will you say now?
Ma'am, please get aside.
Please get aside.
Yes. Or ma'am, please shift a little. Very nice. Or ma'am, please shift a little. Is that fine?
Ma'am, please proceed further.
Okay. Ma'am, please proceed. Only proceed. Proceed in itself means move
Ma'am,
further
please
or move
proceed.
ahead. So what is the next topic? Shaurya Tyagi, read out the next topic.
Okay, ma'am. Source
Ma'am, we
of
not
history.
chapter.
History has been history.
Beta,
As
we are
we
doing,
know.
see, wait. Express train, wait.
Can you read on the modern period one time?
One time. Okay. Modern period refers to the history of the recent times. The history which is not very old, which is of the recent times that has happened just a few years back, is called the history, the modern history or the modern period of history.
Ma'am, next topic is sources of history.
Okay. So he is reading. Shaurya Tyagi will read. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
beta. Start.
Source of history. History, as we know, is the story of the past. But how do we come to know about it? To learn about your own past, you can look at old photographs and old things you used in the past. You can learn about your parents' past through what they and your parents and grandparents tell you.
Done?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Done.
So how do we come? Shaurya, please tell the page number.
Ma'am, the page.
What? Which page?
Ma'am, page number 8.
8. Now, how do we come to know about our history? We come to know about our history by looking at the old things. Now, what are those old things? It can be anything in your houses also. It could be something like, say, a typewriter. Now, these days, we do not use a typewriter. So, looking at old photographs, old objects, old items, even in our own houses, like old coins, old currency, we come to know about our past, isn't it? Have you seen the photographs of your grandparents or great grandparents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
There are so many family
Yes,
members.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are so many family members.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have old coins.
Very nice. I'm sure everybody must be having. Or Those who don't know, please ask your parents to show you these old things, such old things which can let you know about your family history. Okay? You can see anything in your own houses. There are so many types, there are so many different things also, items also in our houses which do not belong to us, which are our parents or our grandparents' belongings, which are no longer in use because the time has changed. But they used to depend on those things. There must be a lot of things in your houses also. So we come to know about history through these things, through old photographs. Then, a history, yes,
Please send the PDF of first chapter.
send the PDF.
PDF of
Rasya, do you know one thing? Even I don't have this new book. Even I am waiting. I am reading out. I'm just,
Okay.
that is why I'm telling other children to read, because even my book is old and
Ma'am, I have a new book.
very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
may
good.
I
So,
read
Shaurya Tyagi,
Ma'am, can I show you the book?
no, don't show us the book. Please share the PDF with all of us so that it is of a little help to each one of us. Shaurya, will you be able to share the PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
To share the PDF.
Yes, Raina, what are you saying?
Ma'am, we not read the chapter.
Did we not read the chapter from the beginning?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I thought I read it in other sections. We will read it, beta, don't worry. Thanks for telling. I thought we have done till 3 periods because in other sections
ma'am.
we did. Maybe your section is left. So let us just have the PDF so that every student has it, and then we'll do the reading. Shaurya Tyagi is sending the PDF.
Ma'am, can I also?
Beta, one PDF would be
May
enough.
I also read, ma'am? Ma'am,
Read,
may I
yes.
also read?
Yes, by that time you can start to read. Yes, read.
Periods of history. History is
No,
vast.
not this one, beta, not this one. After the sources of history.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do reading from starting.
Beta, let the PDF come, then we'll
Ma'am,
read from the starting. Yes.
Source of history.
मैम आपने चैप्टर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा दिए एसएसटी
No,
के?
beta, no, not at all. We have just done 6 key points.
मैम ये
Key points are the main points, the important points. And that too we have done only till the 3 periods of history.
मैम ये की पॉइंट्स के मैम की पॉइंट्स वाले पेज के आगे करना है
Abhi, yes, after key points you have to do the 3 periods of history. The next work is this.
When we will read the chapter.
Ma'am, in the book we have to do.
यस मैम
No, beta, you have to do it in your SST copy. You have to do this work in your SST copy.
Ma'am, but I don't have my book.
Yes, beta, that is why Shaurya Tyagi is sending us the PDF. Many children don't have their books. And moreover, your teacher also doesn't have the book. Even I am making you study from the old book. But this old book is a little different from the new one. So once we'll have the book, maybe in a week's time, everything is going to be fine. Don't get confused. Don't worry at all. I will repeat this chapter once again. Nobody will miss anything. So who was reading?
Ma'am, I was reading.
Yes, Akhya, continue.
Source of history. History, as we know,
Beta, this Shaurya has already read. This paragraph he has read. Read the next one.
types
Ma'am.
of sources.
Okay.
We can boldly divide the source of history into two types.
Archaeological sources.
Archaeological sources and literary sources.
Okay. Now children, see. There are two sources of history. We come to know about our history in two different ways. Now, what are these two different categories through which we come to know about our history? One is the archaeological source. Archaeological source is about things, about items that... Beta, wait while I'm explaining. Let me explain first. The archaeological source is related to the sources that tell us through items, through things we come to know about our past. Like it could be old coins, old photographs, old pillars, rocks, pictures, anything, old buildings, monuments. These are archaeological sources. And the second type of source is the literary source. Literary source refers to anything that is in the written form. It could be letters, it could be messages, it could be different stories written anywhere. So these come under literary sources. Is it clear to all of you? What are the two types of sources?
Then
One
the two
is-
type of sources
Very good. What is archaeological source? What are archaeological?
Archaeological source is the study of ancient
Yes, it refers to different things, different buildings. Yes, old objects. Very nice. And what is the literary source? In general, it refers to something that is in which form? Written form. We find it in writings. Okay?
Ma'am, like letters.
Yes.
Like
Suppose I find a letter or a storybook or any autobiography, any book which is of 100 years back. So this source of history will come under which source? Literary or archaeological?
source.
Very nice. Literary source. If I find a poem, a rhyme of old times, it will come under which source?
Literary source.
Literary source. Very nice. If suppose I find old clothes or old pieces of metals, what will it come under? Archaeological. Very nice. Very good. So we have these two different sources of history. One is objects and one is the written form. Okay. Now it's time for the class to get over. You all can go and have a little snack or your breakfast. Fine.
मैम आप इसकी फोटो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेजेगी?
शौर्य आपने भेज दी बेटा PDF?
Ma'am, I am sending you.
Yes, beta, you will get the PDF of this chapter and I will send this blackboard work. Don't worry. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.